You can chill out here, sit for a little bit if you wanna. What is that? Oh my god, what is this? Okay, now it's time to go to the last one. Future Fair, 4th level. Cool, maybe you want to grab a snack. From guessing that thing in the back is the VR time machine. So wait a little bit, like 15 minutes. I can't go visit that thing because you had like time slots. You have to reserve them, you know, before. But cannot show you, but I can describe you how it will be. But highly recommend it. There you go. Check it out. This is the VR machine, and this thing is pretty cool. I recommend it. You know, you should do it. I cannot describe too much about what's happening inside, but you know, I don't want to ruin it. You gotta see for yourself. You're gonna pay for it, so you gotta find out. But this is basically it for the whole expo. This is all that I could share with y'all. You know, in the end, I don't want you to like spend this money, and you know, I have, like I showed you everything and all that. You gotta pay ticket for yourself and gotta find your way around these things by yourself, because it wouldn't make sense if you paid that kind of money. So this is it for now. Okay, so now that we're done with the Evoluon, I'm gonna take you to a place that I love out here, like a little bit of, I don't know, like a food court kind of thing, like a nice place in the area around here. And the neighborhood is called Strijp S. The neighborhood is called Strijp S. It's over there.